Hello guys, this is Sunil Gupta. I'm a web security specialist and I'm an instructor, and you're learning the Wireshark complete course for you. In previous lectures or in previous videos, you have learned so many things about Wireshark, and that is enough for you. But for the add-on, I'm giving you some more practical regarding Wireshark. Like you have learned how you can fish a web page using Jet Shadow, but you have not learned or you haven't learned about how you can track that phishing links or phishing pages in your network using Wireshark. That is the most important practical because we are learning Wireshark, so you should learn about this. So we are doing that. So I'm opening the Wireshark first of all, and we are here to our Jet Shadow account where you can use some, you can create some phishing pages. First of all, let's open my Wireshark, right? And let's create a web page like facebook.com. Copy and open here. Suppose somebody, you have your company and an employee of your company has opened facebook.com, and it is restricted in your company that don't use your personal accounts in the company, but an employee has opened this Facebook account and he's using Facebook again and again in your company. So how will a network administrator will search that what type of users or which IPs are using facebook.com, yahoo.com or gmail.com or some personal uh, websites in my company? Suppose a person is using facebook.com like this. There is one victim, so first of all we will find that it has detected or not. As you can see that Z shadow has detected this, a hotmail 9. Let's do one more thing, let's do a Yahoo one. I'm clicking on home and I am clicking on the Yahoo one. Where's Yahoo? Here we go. This is the Yahoo. Copy it and paste it in the browser and type something like sunil@yahoo.com and password is anything and clicking on sign in. Means so many users are using their personal user ID and passwords or personal Gmail IDs in your company. There is another victims, so let's see that it has detected or not, and it has detected that someone is using Yahoo, someone is using Facebook. Yeah, okay, but how Wireshark will detect? As you can see, the Wireshark is open and it has detected so many packets here. So I'm stopping capturing because we have captured all the packets that we wanted, like Yahoo. So if I'm a network administrator and if I'm doing network analyzing in my company, I'm using Wireshark in my company, so I should filter again and again that who are using the username, who are using the personal accounts in my company. So what should you do? Go to a display filter, right? Type first of all TCP. Yes, there are so many TCP packets. HTTP. There are so many HTTP packet. HTTPS. It is not. If it is red color, then you cannot search HTTPS in filter. SSL. These are SSL. Now I know that some websites are using TCP protocol in there, so I will found that is there anybody who is using Facebook? TCP contains Facebook. enter. And if I'm administrator, oh my god, there are so many IPs who are using facebook.com in my company. How is it possible? I'm just giving you a brief. So here you can see this is the IP address of my network, zero point 0.5. It means the IP address 192.168.0.5 employee is working Facebook in my company. And this is the encryption credentials. Here you can see this is the encryption credentials of facebook.com. So you can catch him, you can caught him, the person who is using facebook.com in my company, as I have restricted don't use personal account in my company. So as you can see that you can find that in this zero point 0.5 IP address person is using Facebook in my ID. That is only possible because of Wireshark, because Wireshark giving you a great filtering technique to find packets in your Wireshark. And if you can also find some other things like Gmail. No, nobody has used Gmail. Hotmail. No, nobody has used Hotmail. Okay, Yahoo. Oh, there is one person who is also using Yahoo. Let's click on it. Okay, this is the IP address 92.5, and I want to find the URL, or if somebody is using phishing attack, the URL or the credentials will be sent in the plain text. So I should get there. Okay, he's using Mozilla, and if I click here, oh my god, this you can see this is the email and password is in plain text, but we know that Yahoo also uses HTTPS. So how you can find how you have found the email and password in plain text? No, you cannot. If the person or user is using yahoo.com or is original, then you cannot found the original IP or original email ID and password. It will be encrypted like Facebook. But now I can analyze that, okay, that someone has sent a phishing mail or phishing link to my employee and he's using the phishing link in my network. So that is called a malicious activity in my network. Somebody is using phishing in my network. That's why they are containing plain text in HTTPS. So that's how you can analyze and you can find that person or the IP address who is using the malicious link intentionally or unintentionally, no matters. But in my network, there are some users are using phishing links. That is not good for me. So that's how you can find in Wireshark, that how in filters, that how you can find that somebody using some fake emails, fake user IDs, fake passwords, some phishing links, etc. in his, yeah. So here you have learned that how you can detect a phishing attack in your network. The Wireshark only works in a network. It won't work in a network with in an internet, means different networks. It only works if you are in a similar network. So I hope you have learned a lot. So thank you so much guys for learning. Thank you.